Hey, this is Chad Pornova. I know when I first got started back in 2006, 2007 and starting my own online business, I was looking all over the place for different guides, different ebooks, and things to help me with building my business. Now fast forward now to 2022 and there are tons of videos and guides out there to help people, okay? The problem is finding the right guide that will help you. So today you've come to this video because you're looking how to either set up a YouTube channel or you're just new to YouTube from the beginning, okay? So what I've done today is I've put together a free ebook that reveals the basics for making a YouTube video for beginners, okay? It's going to talk about must-know basics for making a YouTube video for beginners, okay? So what I need you to do is I just need you to go over this right here, but I'm going to go over it with you right now. It's going to teach you how to learn to create your first ever video for YouTube. Discover the 3 basic steps you must know. Follow this guide and you will be way ahead of 90% of people on YouTube. These simple steps will be the foundation of your success on YouTube, okay? I just added that YouTube. But this ebook is going to truly help you with setting up your first YouTube video, teaching you the basics and all the must-knows that most people when they first get started on YouTube have no clue about. So what I need you to do is I just need you to fill in your name right here, your email address, click yes, I want this. Once you confirm your email, you'll be taken to this page right here, okay? Click right here and you'll be able to download the ebook, okay? Very, very simple. Once you get the ebook, once we send it to you, this is the ebook right here, okay? You'll be able to open it right up and get started right on it, okay? And again, this is Chad Portnova. Thank you so much again for stopping by and watching this video. We are here to help you. So if you have any kind of questions, please below this video, post your comments and I'll get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. But we are here to help you have success on starting your first YouTube channel and learning how to make your first YouTube video, okay? So like I said, that's why we put together this guide that's going to teach you the must-know basics for making a YouTube video for beginners. Talk to you soon. Have yourself a great day. See you on the other side. Bye-bye. Hey, this is Chad Pornova. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you click the link in the description below to get your copy of Basics for Making a YouTube Video for Beginners. We are so excited to go on this journey with you, so we want to make sure you get your copy today. So make sure you click that link below and get your copy. See you on the other side. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.